Hi, this is John Budali TI, and this is hands down my favorite bar soap that I've found. This is the Shea Butter by Dove. And you may ask yourself, okay, what is fancy about this? Well, first thing I would say, this will leave your skin smooth as you can imagine. The Shea Butter in this bar soap, you can actually feel this. And after you get the bath, you go there, you just feel and smell great. So this is a little bit different, but I like to leave bar soaps in different parts of my house. I came up to this because a friend put me into this, but the other day I left this guy in my room and I went in the weekend out with my friends. And when I came back, it was smelling like shea butter in the whole place. So great scent, great feeling in your skin, and giving you the sensation that you have like some lotion on top of you, even if you're not wearing any. So this is a great, great bar soap. So this was John with Dolly TI, and that was my point of view.